gonna help me up. I am dying. This picture you are seeing at the background of the screen is the picture of my former pastor. His name is Bishop John Mike Clinton. He defrauded me of 18 million naira.
Hello my people, I greet you for us so now they fine. Now do what so tell help me take the share, comment, like. God go bless you. I really appreciate each and every one. My people, this video wanna just watch, so I go put on phone now. Make una listen to wetin happen to this man. Something they happen for inside this life. Oh, una know say most of our people, most of that our Nigeria people, they believe in their pastor. So anything wey be say their pastor say make dem do, na dem dey do. Even those their pastor tell them say, "Come do this business. No worry, I did there. Problem not there." And they never see the business for how they go say they go do am. As far as say na their pastor na bring am come. So according to them, na pastor bring am come, the something dey genuine, problem not there. This man wey be say cry come and so he say na land wey be say his children and his family member wey be say dey for abroad, they come dey send am money say make dem take am buy land. So na him pastor na he come bring the land come and say this land he go sell am for you, problem not dey. And the worst part of it, my people, this man never see land o. He come begin dey give the pastor money. When he go tell the pastor say may we go see the land, the pastor come dey tell am say, you no trust me? Abi you dey think say maybe I fit eat your money? You understand? How you go give pastor wey be say you never even see wetin you wan buy, you go dey give am money, or in the name of say this man na pastor? Pastor not be human being, because of say no, you dey think say no fit fraud you, or you dey think say no fit carry that your money, go say nothing dey happen. Na it happen to this man now. So this man don cry come and say make una come help am o. This pastor wan kpai am o. This pastor no wan give am money o. 18 million naira according to this pastor. So this video VDN come talk for this matter wey dey ground, because this man wey be say cry come out, he say make dem tag VDN, many people, make una come o, make una come see the one wey dey o. My brothers and sisters, make una still dey wise now. Make una dey wise. This money dem no dey sleep dey see am o. If you no work, make your hand come be like wetin dem no dey use again. Dem no dey see the money o. I no understand how you go buy land because say na your pastor, you go dey give am money, you never even see the land, you go pay put. You say na your pastor, na your pastor no fit do you anything. You trust am. Why you go trust person like that? When we don't know, say person fit just get up now go say, from today I be pastor, I be prophetess, whereas it not be anything. Now they call themselves, not be God they call them. May I put this video for now? Mona watch am. Mona watch, help me to love and like and share for me. Comment on the comment section. God bless you as you do. Now bye bye for now.
Let Nigerians come to my head before this man kills me. Not gonna help me. I am dying. This picture you are seeing at the background of the screen is the picture of my former pastor. His name is Bishop John Mike Clinton. He defrauded me of 18 million naira. He said I should come and buy land. That he has a vast land available. So I spoke to my son overseas, and the boy paid 18 million naira. When the boy was paying this money, I used to ask him, "Sir, where is this property?" And this man will only reply to me, say, "Are you suspecting me?" And I will leave him, because everybody they fear him. As a pastor, as a prophet, he said he's a retired colonel. Of course, he's the bishop of the church. Since 3 years ago, when this money was paid to him, I've not seen the land till today. It was when I was even asking him, I left the church last year and I was pressurizing him to show me this land. I got a fatal motor accident that almost claimed my life. Yet what this man could tell me was that I'm too small to fight with him. So let the world come to my head. I know I'm too small to fight with him, but I didn't know I was fighting with him. All of what I thought was that I am requesting for my property. Hereby call upon the human rights activists and well-meaning Nigerians. In fact, the VDM, there should be people should help me circulate this video until it gets to the well-meaning Nigerians. And where VDM, the Nigerian army, where this man claimed to come from, to be a former colonel. And particularly the church where he said he emanated from. That is the Church of God Mission.
people are going through a lot in this country. The amount of people that are going through oppression in this Nigeria, bro, the amount of people going through oppression in Nigeria is crazy. Now, I just saw this video on the blog. I was just going through it, and from nowhere, I just heard my name. Imagine the pain. Imagine the agony and suffering this man have been enduring all this while. Before this man decided to come online to come and talk, just imagine what this guy don't suffer. Did you listen to that video? That his son, the man was the one that advertised to him, according to the story, that his own bishop in church advertised to him that I have a lot of lands that I want to sell. He now told his son that, please, send me money, let me buy this land. Then the son started paying bit by bit. While the son was paying, he kept on asking that, Oga, where is the land that we are paying for? The man said, don't you trust me? And of course, he's a pastor. You won't go to challenge pastor, especially with the way Nigerians and Africans worship pastors. Do you understand? That's eventually they ended up paying all the money. Oh yeah, bring land. This man refused to bring the land again. Now they started dragging back and forth, back and forth. Now, one day he was just going out and he was involved in a fatal accident. He went to go and tell this pastor, I'll be the bishop. And the bishop said, don't you know you are too small to fight me? On top land where you collect. They say, touch not my anointed. But if you know the people that are anointed are chopping every day. The people start telling you the stories, the amount of stories and the amount of things they've gone through in the hands of these so-called pastors in Nigeria. You'll be surprised. A lot of them use the office of the Lord to eat people, to chop people's money, to just bully, oppress them, you know, take advantage of them, people's wives, people's husband, people's finance. If you talk now, they'll say they talk about pastors. I don't know this man, but I beg, you understand? Anybody who know him, I just pray, just have receipts. The law is the law. Just have receipts. You cannot obtain anybody by false pretense. That's obtaining by false pretense. It's fraudulent. If the evidence align. If the evidence align, then it's fraud. I bet I'm gonna send me this man number for my DM. I'm more seeing receipts saying pay the man true. May name appear. I just hope say no be cash you give him. If not transfer, even though you know transfer through phone, you go bank. They'll go print your bank statements. We can come Abuja. That's what now they do. As of now, everything is alleged. So until I don't see the evidence when I need, do you understand? But for now, me, I don't use my platform to give the case more views so that Nigerians go know what they happen. And Oga Pastor, Bishop John Clinton, I've been waiting to say be your name. I beg, respect your name. What will be the man name again? Bishop John Mike Clinton. Please, respect your name and respect the church that you are with. Please, give this old man his land. Please. If you are with his land, give him his land. Else you might learn, oh, to be honest, we will not care, we will not fear pastor. And God call you. And God call you. That's if not God call you. Me self, God self still call me too. But give this man his land. He's in pains. Thank you very much. Don't play. Else you go and learn. And you might learn the hard way. Don't play.